Kyari. To security, men suspected to be guards of the Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, have engaged operatives of the Department of State Services in Ibadan, Oyo State. That's according to the DSS spokesman Peter Afunaya, who stated this during a press conference on Thursday, following the arrest of 13 of Igboho's armed men by a team of joint security operatives. The raid, according to Afunaya, followed intelligence that Igboho was stockpiling arms to cause chaos within the southwest region.